Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the TP-Link Bluetooth 4.0 Nano USB adapter. The model number for this particular product is UB400. This is basically a Wi-Fi dongle for your laptop or your PC specifically. And you can see there's a transparent window here. You can see what the Nano transmitter looks like. This particular transmitter supports Bluetooth 4.0. It can be used with Windows 8, 8.1 and 10. It comes with plug and play option and it's a nano-sized, a very small device. Over here it's written, package contains Bluetooth 4.0 Nano USB adapter, quick installation guide. Specifications, standard Bluetooth 4.0 interface, USB 2.0. Dimension 0.5 is 0.27, 0.74 inches. It's really small. And that's more or less all the information on this box. I'll open this and show you the Nano transmitter inside. So a couple of documents here. Let's quickly take a look at them. The one document. So this is the quick installation guide for the Bluetooth 4.0 Nano USB adapter. This is for Windows XP or 7. How to connect to a computer. Basically this is all plug and play, so all you have to do is plug it in and this should install automatically, and then you should be ready to use it. That in this case it's basically like connecting to a Wi-Fi network or something like that. And this is the Nano transmitter. I'll show you what it looks like. There you go. There you go. This is the Nano transmitter, the Bluetooth 4.0 Nano transmitter. It's really small. It comes with this black and gold color combination, black and gold theme, and the model number, as I mentioned earlier, is UB400. And you notice once again, this is a USB-A Nano transmitter. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the TP-Link Bluetooth 4.0 Nano USB adapter. Thank you for watching.